friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board released second model paper for first paper social science. Today we are going to discuss the key answers in this video. So kindly see the video completely, and after seeing the video, this video you can share it to your friends. And let us start. See here the model question paper 2, paper 1. The subject is social science. It contains 40 questions from 81 to question number 120. The trade and commerce between Asia and Europe was taking place through the city of Constantinople. So it was called option A, the gateway of Indian trade. Option B, the gateway of Asian trade. Option C, the gateway of European trade. Option D, the gateway of Arabian trade. The correct answer is option C, the gateway of European trade. Question: India adopted its constitution on option A 15th August 1947, option B 26th January 1950, option C 15th March 1948, option D 26th August 1950. Correct answer is option B 26th January 1950. Question: Universities in Madras, Calcutta and Bombay were established by option A Macaulay, option B Dalhousie, option C William Bentinck, option D Cornwallis. Correct answer is option B Dalhousie. Question: The defeat of Hyder Ali at Protonova made option A the British officer worried, option B Aire Coute surrender, option C the French to fight, option D the British to gain confidence. Correct answer is option D, the British to gain confidence. Question: Dr. Anubesant was called Sweta Saraswati because option A she translated Ramayana into English, option B she wrote a book on goddess Saraswati, option C she translated Bhagavad Gita to English, option D she got converted to Hinduism. Correct answer is option C, she translated Bhagavad Gita to English. Question: One of the causes for the failure of the first war of Indian independence. Option A, the Britishers did not have modern weapons. Option B, Rani Chennamma was arrested. Option C, all the Indian kings revolted against the British. Option D, there was no good leader to lead. Correct answer is option D, there was no good leader to lead. Question: The first president of Indian National Congress was option A Surendranath Banerjee, option B W.C. Banerjee, option C Dadabhai Nauroji, option D Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Correct answer is option B W.C. Banerjee. Question: Forward Bloc was founded by option A Jawaharlal Nehru, option B Motilal Nehru, option C Mahatma Gandhi, option D Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer is option D Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Question: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was rightly called the Iron Man of India because option A he became the first defense minister of independent India, option B he unified the princely states into Indian Union, option C he wanted to become the prime minister of independent India, option D he fought against Pakistan in Indo-Pak war. Correct answer is option B, he unified the princely states into Indian Union. Question: Dadabhai Nauroji, M.G. Ranade and Gopalakrishna Gokhale belong to option A moderates, option B radicals, option C revolutionaries, option D ICS officers. Correct answer is option A moderates. Question: The immediate cause for the first war of Indian independence. Option A Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai was killed in the battle. Option B Nana Sahib captured Kanpura. Option C Tantia Topi was arrested. Option D introduction of Enfield rifles. Correct answer is option D introduction of Enfield rifles. Question: The Bedas of Halagali revolted against the British because option A the British introduced Arms Act, option B the British introduced doctrine of lapse Option C, the British introduced Vernacular Press Act. Option D, the British captured Puttavasappa. Correct answer is option A, the British introduced Arms Act. Question, the Satyagraha by Mahatma Gandhi in support of indigo growers was. Option A, Kheda Satyagraha. Option B, Bardoli Satyagraha. Option C, Champaranya Satyagraha. Option D, Salt Satyagraha. Correct answer is option C, Champaranya Satyagraha. Question, the first woman president of India was. Option A, Indira Gandhi. Option B, Sarojini Naidu. Option C, Pratibha Patil. Option D, Sucheta Kripalani. Correct answer is option C, Pratibha Patil. Question, Panchashila principles were signed between the countries. Option A, India and Pakistan. Option B, India and Nepal. Option C, India and China. Option D, India and Bangladesh. Correct answer is option C, India and China. Indian foreign policy is also known as. Option A, Gandhi foreign policy. Option B, Jawaharlal Nehru's foreign policy. Option C, Sardar Patel's foreign policy. Option D, Lal Bahadur Shastri foreign policy. Correct answer is option B, Jawaharlal Nehru foreign policy. Question, Human Rights Day is observed every year on. Option A, 14th November. Option B, 15th March. Option C, 14th February. Option D, 10th December. Correct answer is option D, 10th December. Question, the word United Nations was first proposed by. Option A, Franklin D. Roosevelt. Option B, Winston Churchill. Option C, Joseph Stalin. Option D, John F. Kennedy. Correct answer is option A, Franklin D. Roosevelt. Question, the chief architect of Indian Constitution. Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B, Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Option C, Babu Rajendra Prasad. Option D, B.N. Rao. Correct answer is option B, Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Question, migration is the main characteristic of. Option A, organized sector laborers. Option B, bonded laborers sector. Option C, agricultural laborer sector. Option D, unorganized sector laborers. Correct answer is option D, unorganized sector laborers. Question, Chipko movement was conducted to protest and protect. Option A, the trees from getting cut. Option B, the Silent Valley's sensitive ecological balance. Option C, the displacement of tribal people. Option D, the deforestation of tropical evergreen forests in Western Ghats. Correct answer is option A, the trees for getting cut. Question, invisible hunger refers to. Option A, malnutrition. Option B, the people above poverty line. Option C, prosperity. Option D, child abuse. Correct answer is option A, malnutrition. Question, the lesser Himalayas are also called as. Option Himachala. Option B, Himadri. Option C, Shivalikas. Option D, Mount Everest. Correct answer is option A, Himachala. Question, the convectional rain that occurs during summer in Karnataka is called. Option A, Kala Baisakhi. Option B, Andis. Option C, Coffee Blossoms. Option D, Kumari. Correct answer is option C, Coffee Blossoms. Question, one of the measures to conserve soil among these. Option A, overgrazing. Option B, shifting cultivation. Option C, afforestation. Option D, use of topsoil for making bricks and tiles. Correct answer is option C, afforestation. Question, the type of forest found in the river deltas. Option A, mountain forest. Option B, tropical evergreen forest. Option C, tropical deciduous forest. Option D, mangrove forest. Correct answer is option D, mangrove forest. Question: The important multi-purpose river valley project of Odisha. Option A Hirakuda. Option B Nagarjuna Sagara. Option C Govind Sagara. Option D Rihand. Correct answer is option A Hirakuda. Question: The second largest producers of sugarcane in the world is. Option A India. Option A B Brazil. Option C China. Option D Cuba. Correct answer is option A India. State highways are constructed and maintained by. Option A Central Public Works Department. Option B State Public Works Department. Option C National Highway Authority of India. Option D Border Roads Development Authority. Correct answer is option B State Public Workers Department. Question: Mumbai port is popularly known as. Option A the Gateway of India. Option B Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Option C largest terminal port of India. Option D the deepest landlocked port of India. Correct answer is option A the Gateway of India. Question: The second important metal based industry in India is. Option A aluminium industry. Option B iron and steel industry. Option C biotechnology industry. Option D textile industry. Correct answer is option A aluminium industry. Question: Paper industry is a. Option A forest based industry. Option B knowledge based industry. Option C agro based industry. Option D mineral based industry. Correct answer is option A forest based industry. Question: The large waves generated by earthquakes under the sea are called as. Option A tides. Option B ocean currents. Option C floods. Option D tsunamis. Correct answer is option D tsunamis. Question: National income divided by the total population we get. Option A real national income. Option B per capita income. Option C purchasing power. Option D World Development Report. Correct answer is option B per capita income. Question: Health is measured in terms of. Option A literacy attainment. Option B purchasing power. Option C life expectancy. Option D real national income. Correct answer is option C life expectancy. Question: Gram Swarajya was the concept of. Option A Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option C Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Option D Mahatma Gandhi ji. Correct answer is option D Mahatma Gandhi ji. Question: Postal Bank of India functions with the network of. Option A State Bank of India. Option B cooperative societies. Option C post office. Option D regulated market corporations. Correct answer is option C post offices. Question: The mother of banks in India is. Option A State Bank of India. Option B NABARD. Option C Apex Bank. Option D Reserve Bank of India. Correct answer is option D Reserve Bank of India. Question: Consumer Protection Act was passed in India in the year. Option A 1976. Option B 1986. Option C 1996. Option D 2006. Correct answer is option B 1986. Question: The US president who gave consumer rights in 1962 was. Option A George Washington. Option B Abraham Lincoln. Option C John F Kennedy. Option D Franklin D Roosevelt. Correct answer is option C John F Kennedy. See the question numbers and answer. Thanks for watching the video. ಆತ್ಮೀಯರೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ತಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗೆಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲಿನ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮತ್ತು ಸಹಕಾರ ನೀಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯಗೊಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗೋಣ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದೊಂದಿಗೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Young ones, but we live for it, we die for it.